Every nation has land. Every country has people. But only a few control the global economy. In the modern world, power is no longer decided only by armies or borders. It is decided by economic strength. The size of an economy determines how much a country can influence global trade, global finance, and global decisions. Welcome to Starcon International. In this documentary, we are ranking the top 20 largest economies in the world by nominal gross domestic product projected for the year 2026. Nominal gross domestic product or nominal GDP measures the total value of all goods and services produced by a country, calculated in current US dollars, without adjusting for purchasing power or cost of living. This ranking is based on projections from the International Monetary Fund, one of the most trusted global economic authorities. From fast-growing emerging markets to long-established economic superpowers, this list reveals who truly drives the world economy. So now, let us begin the countdown. From rank 20 to the largest economy on earth. At rank 20, we begin with Poland. With a projected nominal gross domestic product of around $1.1 trillion in 2026, Poland stands as one of the strongest economies in Eastern Europe. Once known primarily as a transition economy, Poland has steadily transformed itself through manufacturing growth, automotive and machinery exports, strong economic integration with the European Union. Its strategic location makes Poland a vital economic bridge between Western and Eastern Europe. Backed by stable institutions, a skilled workforce, and consistent domestic demand, Poland's rise is not driven by hype, but by discipline, resilience, and long-term planning. At number 20, Poland opens our list as a reminder that economic power is built step by step. At rank 19, we have Saudi Arabia. With a projected nominal gross domestic product of around $1.3 trillion in 2026, Saudi Arabia remains one of the most influential economies in the Middle East. For decades, Saudi Arabia's wealth was defined almost entirely by oil. And even today, energy exports continue to play a central role in its economy. But the story is changing. Through its ambitious Vision 2030 program, Saudi Arabia is investing heavily in infrastructure and mega projects, tourism and entertainment, technology and renewable energy. The goal is clear: to reduce dependence on oil and build a diversified, future-ready economy. At number 19, Saudi Arabia represents a nation in transition, moving from resource dominance to economic transformation. At rank 18, we have Netherlands. With a projected nominal gross domestic product of around $1.4 trillion in 2026, the Netherlands proves that economic influence is not measured by land size. Despite being a small country, the Netherlands is a global trade powerhouse. Its economy is driven by international trade and logistics, advanced manufacturing, financial services, high-tech agriculture. Home to one of the world's busiest ports and a highly efficient transport network, the Netherlands acts as a gateway to Europe for global commerce. Precision, planning, and connectivity define its success. At number 18, the Netherlands shows how strategy and efficiency can build an economy far larger than geography would suggest. At rank 17, we have Indonesia, with a projected nominal gross domestic product of around 1.55 trillion US dollars in 2026. Indonesia stands as the largest economy in Southeast Asia. Indonesia's strength lies in its fundamentals. A massive population of over 270 million people. Abundant natural resources. Rapid growth in digital services and manufacturing. Often described as a sleeping giant, Indonesia is gradually unlocking its economic potential through infrastructure development and investment reforms. As global supply chains shift and domestic consumption rises, Indonesia's role in the world economy is becoming increasingly important. At number 17, Indonesia represents the power of scale, demographics, and long-term growth. At rank 16, we have Turkey. With a projected nominal gross domestic product of around 1.6 trillion US dollars in 2026, Turkey occupies a unique position in the global economy. Geographically and economically, Turkey sits at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, the Middle East. Its economy is driven by manufacturing and industrial exports, construction and infrastructure, defense and automotive industries. Turkey has built strong production capacity and export capability, especially toward Europe and regional markets. However, high inflation and currency volatility remain major challenges, shaping both domestic confidence and foreign investment. At number 16, Turkey represents an economy with strategic importance, strong fundamentals, and ongoing structural tests. The global economy is vast, and the rankings are only beginning. From Poland's industrial growth to Turkey's strategic position, we've explored the first 5 nations shaping the global economic landscape in 2026. But the real momentum is still ahead. In the next episode, we move further up the rankings, toward even larger economies, and even greater global influence. This is Starcom International. See you in part 2.